Hi, Neil Insko here with Equity in Your Business. Like you, I am always looking for ways to prospect and get more clients. The problem is that most lead programs just don't work. Over the past 30 years, I've spent enough money on leads to purchase an E-Class Mercedes, and that's no joke. I believe in the old saying that the harder you work, the luckier you get. I want to work together with you to get quality clients, make more money, and enjoy your success. My company, Equity in Your Business, has designed a turnkey program that includes letters, scripts, approaches, invitations, and videos that you can use to gain business owner clients. I believe that everyone should have skin in the game, so I'm giving this process to advisors who want to use it to gain access to business owner clients. If you are serious about working with business owners, I have 3 requirements. One is that you allow me to provide you with the process, the expertise, and the know-how, and you become the client's trusted advisor. 2 is that you learn the scripts and commit to them to memory so that they become second nature when you speak with a business owner prospect. And 3, I expect you to put in the time and effort to approach at least 5 business owner prospects a month. That's not very hard. So let's talk about the separate approaches to the business owner. There are 3 separate approaches you can use when talking to any business owner, preferably your current clients. Each approach has a 2-step process. Step 1 is piquing the business owner's interest by asking a few simple questions. Step 2 has one goal: to set up an in-person or phone appointment with you, me, and the business owner. As you ask the questions, you need to be listening intently to each answer. If during the process you are asked a question you do not know the answer to, do not try to answer the question. Simply focus on your objective, which is to set the appointment. In all approaches, I will be using the owner's most common response. However, they will vary. In my example, I will be using the name Mark for the business owner. First approach. You say, "Mark, how do you plan to exit your business someday?" Mark says, "Sell it." You say, "Where are you going to put the money from the sale of the business after you pay the capital gains taxes?" Mark says, "I don't know." You say, "If there was a way that you could put all the sales proceeds into an instrument that would grow tax-free, you could access tax-free, and best of all, you could pass on to your family tax-free, would you think about that?" Note, the owner may have done his research and homework. So if so, you ask him to tell you exactly how he plans to sell or transition his business. If he says, "My accountant and I have talked and I plan on selling my business to my son at age 60, you remain engaged and interested. When then he finishes, you ask him the previous questions if there was a way. Listen carefully to his responses. Second approach. This approach is time sensitive and has to do with the changes in current law. You say, "Mark, were you aware that the capital gains rate to sell appreciated assets such as stocks, business, and real estate has changed from 15 to 20% for some people?" Mark says, "No, I was not aware of that," or "Yes, he was aware of that." You say, "Mark, I bring this up because if you were to sell your business today compared to last year, you may pay at least 5% more in taxes. Do you know that?" Mark says, "Yes or no." You say, "I work with a group of specialists in helping business owners transition or sell their businesses for the highest possible value by paying the least possible taxes. What plans have you made to reduce taxes on the sale of or transition of your business?" Mark says, "I don't know. Some owners might reference retiring at 65 or some other age or time period, but are generally unaware of the possible tax ramifications of the sale." You say, "It sounds like it would be in your best interest to learn the worth of your business and how you can save taxes when it comes time to sell. Wouldn't you agree?" Your goal here is to set a meeting to discuss their desires and give them information and help so they can be thinking about when and how they will transition their business. If they say they are not ready or interested or do not want to meet, ask them for permission to send them regular information about selling or transitioning their business. Also, you can ask them if they would like to be invited to a future transition seminar and give them a copy of the DVD, The 3 Critical Things You Must Know to Transition Your Business. Third approach. Business owners want to tell their story of how they started their business and generally like to talk about their business. This is a way to let them do just that. When you ask these questions, you must be a good listener. The following questions are thought-provoking questions and can be asked separately or in succession. Question number 1, tell me how you started your business. Question number 2, what parts of your business are deeply satisfying to you? Question number 3, over the course of each year, which parts of your business are most frustrating and detracting from your overall life? Question number 4, final question, how much time during the year would you like to spend away from your business knowing it was running smoothly in your absence? Whether you ask all of these questions or only one, you are looking for the opening to say, have you considered how you are going to transition out of your business? So the example would be, you say, Mark, which parts of your business are deeply satisfying to you? And then Mark tells you about all the things that he enjoys about his business. You must listen empathically. You then say, tell me, Mark, over the course of each year, which parts of your business are the most frustrating and detracting from your overall life? Mark tells you, and you listen. Next, you say, how much time, Mark, during the year would you like to spend away from your business knowing it was running smoothly in your absence? And again, you listen to Mark. He might say 2 to 5 weeks. You say, what if I knew of a way you could enjoy more often the things you like about your business, help you take more time off, and provide solutions to lessen your business headaches and make your life less stressful? Would you want to hear about that? Mark would say, absolutely, who wouldn't? You say, I work with a business owner specialist who specializes in stabilization plans. He has helped business owners like you prepare their businesses and tax strategies and business structure efficiencies that business owners can use both now and in the future. This will allow you to implement a plan to provide financial freedom in your retirement. Would this information help you with your business? Remember, with all 3 of these approaches, you are setting the appointment either in person or on the phone. There are 27.9 million small businesses in the U.S. The number of small businesses has increased by 49% since 1981. If you're an agent, financial advisor, or insurance broker, you know at least a half dozen business owners, such as your own doctor, dentist, veterinarian, and a host of others, with whom you could converse for at least 5 minutes. By doing so, you are strengthening your alliances and increasing your potential for financial enrichment beyond what you might previously have imagined. In addition, your interconnected relationship provides you with residual long-term cross-selling opportunities for your business. If you're interested in learning more about how you can work with business owners and my company's Equity in Your Business and Equity Solutions for Life, you can email me at Neal, N-E-A-L, at es4l.net or call 858-344-5110. Good luck and go out and make it a great day.